Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Kind of in the middle of a crazy time in our world right now with the coronavirus. I'm not sure when this video will upload, but trying to keep myself busy while I'm on, self-isolation, social distancing. And I have tons of kits that I've bought over the past year or so that I try to do when I go to different retreats and crops, but sometimes I like to bring different things with me, so I don't always get through a lot of those kits, but I'm slowly getting through them, but I have a whole pile of them left to do. So I thought I'd show you all the kits that I have and kind of maybe do a series and kind of show you every time I get some kits done, I'll come back and show you how I've killed those bought-in kits. So this morning I finished this kit here, which I bought, and turned out really pretty. So that's one down, and only like, I don't know, probably 40 to go. So the next kit I'm going to work on is a card kit that I bought, and these are the cards that it's going to make. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to wiggle the camera there. But yeah, it's going to make these cards here. So that will be the next project that I work on. And then I'll just kind of quickly show you all the other kits that I have that I need to eventually get done here. So I've got tons of card kits that I've bought, and a lot of these I bought from Scrap Shots. And they're all Christmas or winter themed cards, I believe. And so there's this kit here. Here's another kit, and another one, and another, and another, and another, and another. So what is that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus that other one I showed you, so that's 8 card kits there. And there's more. Okay, and then I bought these ones last summer, so that was 8, 9, 10, 11, this one isn't Christmas, 12, another one, 13, and these are Halloween favors, so 14 kits we're at, that are cards or favors. And then I have this album kit. I don't have the album in here, but there's an album that comes with it. So it's at 15 kits. And then I have a bunch of layout kits. This was a kit I bought this summer, so that's 15 card and favor kits. And then and albums. And then I've got this layout kit that I bought this summer, so that's 1. This is a simpler one that I bought a couple of years ago. 2, 3, this is one I bought this fall. 4, these I bought a little while ago, probably a couple years ago. 5 layouts, 6 layouts, 7 layouts, 8 layouts. This is a kit I bought at Crop and Create, I believe last year. So it makes several kit or layouts. 9 layout kits. I think that's 9, right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 9. And there's more. Another kit, 10. This one's more intricate, so that one will take a while. 11, 12, 13. This one will take a while too. There's a lot of mixed media in that one. And then I bought these just a few weeks ago. I guess, I don't know, probably 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. 12, 13, what did I say? Sorry, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's 15 bought layout kits, and I think about the same for card kits that I've got to get through. Yeah, I've got my work cut out for me. These are the ones that I just haven't even started. I have like a few album kits that I've started and not finished, and several layout kits that I've started and not finished. So yeah, I have lots of projects that I can do through this social distancing, that's for sure. So I just thought I'd share those with you, and as I finish kits, I will come back and share them with you, and I'm not sure what I'll call this series. Getting through the pile of bought kits, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, I've got my work cut out for me. So hopefully everyone's keeping busy, staying safe and staying healthy. So thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.